Hello friends and welcome back. Yay. We have BoxyCharm. I have to say this month both Ipsy and BoxyCharm came at the right time when they were supposed to. Actually probably early. I'm pretty pleased so far. I'm always pleased with BoxyCharm though. So I did read the spoilers on this box, so I didn't do my eyebrows. All I did was foundation and concealer and powder because I know there's gonna be a brow product in here. So first thing on top here, this is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask by Dr. Brandt. So far, everything I've gotten from Dr. Brandt has been something I've really liked, so I'm pretty sure this will be just as good. Oh wow, it's got like little blue beads in it. I was not expecting that. I'm very excited to use this. I've liked everything Dr. Brandt gave me. It smells good. I mean, it smells like clean, you know? It doesn't smell like it's been fragranced or anything. But obviously, we're not gonna try this out today. Now, the MSRP for this is $47. Like, really? For this? I know this is a full-size product, but it doesn't seem like that much product to be charging 50 bucks for it, you know? So this must be good. Now, that's already more than double the price of the BoxyCharm itself. That's really impressive, but we still have like 4 more products in there, so I love BoxyCharm. Now, this is a high-definition liquid lipstick by Adesi, New York. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick formulated with vitamin C and E, moisturizes and hydrates the lips while providing the full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator, deeply pigmented, silky texture, and intense shine in one single sweep. We will see about that. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god, I think this might be a perfect color. I hope I'm not let down by this. By this hand swatch, I can say that the formula feels like it's gonna be amazing. I am so excited to have a full-size version of this now. So this is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Stunner. So I have the shade Exposed already. It is a sample size. My sister got me like a Tarte sampler for Christmas and it came in there and I love it. I've been using it honestly every day. I usually use it underneath a powder highlight to get that just like bam effect, you know? Pretty. It's like really similar to the Exposed color from the outside anyway, but it just looks a little more cool toned, which is great for me. After swatching this on my hand, it really looks like Exposed. I need to put them next to each other. So this is the little guy I have in Exposed. Okay, I can see a difference. This is a little more like kind of peachy colored, and then this one is more like yellowy goldish color. But I don't know if you can tell on camera the color difference, maybe. Either way, I'm stoked to have it. I mean, I'm happy with the Exposed color, so since they're so similar, I'm sure I'll be happy with that one too. Next, this is the brow product I was telling you about that I knew was in here. This is the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Instant Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. Now, those of you who've been watching me for a while know that I have trichotillomania. For those of you who don't know what that is, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description and probably at the end of the video too, let's be honest, to the video where I'm talking about it so you can get a better idea. I've never used a brow gel before because I don't really have the hair there to use it, so this will be my first time using a brow gel. Is it supposed to be that, like, dry feeling? I don't know. Last thing in the box is a palette! So 2 months in a row we get palettes from BoxyCharm. This is the Element of Surprise by ColourPop. I don't think I own a ColourPop palette. I don't know that I've ever even used their eyeshadows before, come to think of it. This is exciting. Now I know everyone in BoxyCharm this month got like a variation of 4 different palettes, so this is the one I got. From the looks of the outside, I'm excited. Let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh girl. Oh girl. Yes. Okay. Ooh, this shade already is speaking to me. Do these pan sizes seem small? And oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. I can't wait to get in here. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay, so that is everything unboxed here. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is this brow gel. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we'll see. Oh, there's no mirror in this palette. Okay. So I can't knock the product because I just am not a good candidate for this, but this is way more effort than I'm okay with putting into making my eyebrows look decent. That's my issue. No one else really has this issue. So, I mean, I'm not too stoked about having this personally, but I mean, anyone with normal eyebrows probably would, so. Okay, I just did some bronzing and blushing, so next I'm gonna go ahead and try out this Stunner shade. Now, like I said, this is a product that I already use in my daily life. Kinda already know I'm gonna love it, but I'll just use it like the way I normally would. I pretty much only use it on my cheekbones, though. Since it's a liquid, like, you have to really just pat it in there with your finger. You can't really use a brush with these. It just doesn't work. I don't really see that big of a difference between this and the shade I already have. They're the same. Actually, sometimes I do like to do my upper lip with this if I'm feeling extra glowy. And then I usually will just take a highlight and put it over that just to really pop it. And then it honestly like helps it even stay all day, so nice! Obviously, I love it. Now next we're gonna do some fun stuff with this palette. I really wish there was a mirror in this though. You know, it makes things a little more difficult when you're just filming like this, but anyway. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with this color here and just sweep it all over my lid. And then I'm taking this color and like going in the crease just a little bit. And then I think I'm gonna define the crease with this shade here. I'm just going to use my finger to pop some of this on my lid. And then I'm just taking this purple color and putting it in my bottom lash line. I'm just gonna see if I can make a good inner corner slash brow highlight out of this color. I'm gonna actually go ahead and use this in my inner corner and under my brow and see if we can just make a good base to put maybe one of those colors on over. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara real quick. Now, that color as a brow highlight to me is too much because I'm too white. But as an inner corner highlight, I love it. Actually, those purple shadows worked out really well. Actually, that darker one blended like a dream. From what I understand, it's kind of hard to formulate good purple eyeshadows, but I feel like ColourPop succeeded. And whatever it was they did to make that blend the way it did, top notch. Good job, ColourPop. Yeah, I'm very happy with that palette. Now the last thing we have to try on is this liquid lipstick. Yay! Please don't let me down. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so good. The formula is one that I can't compare to anything, honestly. It's really creamy, but it's kind of sticky. I don't think it'll dry down, but I'm also okay with that. I don't generally like having lipsticks that dry down, just because my lips are always so dry as it is. I need something creamy like this, and the color is great. It's not too orange or peachy. It's like just a perfect nude shade. Like, it's neutral. Like, it's good. Man, I love it. That is my new favorite liquid lipstick by far. It smells good, but like it's not overpowering like some of those other ones. Like, oh god. I feel like BoxyCharm sent this one, I think. Galactic Beauty, the matte lip paint. I think this was from a few months ago. The formula on this one dries down a lot, and it just smells so strongly of like cupcakes and frosting, and I honestly hate it. Like, I mean, like, I still use it, but not anymore, I guess. That one is pretty similar in color, except a little better. It's just too orangey for me, you know? But no, this one's scent is much more subtle, but it's still there. I love this way more than this one. Alright, that is it. That's everything that's in my BoxyCharm this month. This was a very successful box. I am happy with just about everything I got. That brow gel is probably something that's not going to be of much use to me. I went ahead and filled in my tail with a brow pencil, but I mean, it did alright on the front here, but I really just don't have the hair to make it do what it's supposed to do. Aside from that though, I'm very happy with everything that BoxyCharm sent me. For this little tube of it, it's $22. That's literally this. That's not a lot of product at all. For 22 bucks, really? Like, That liquid lipstick is $24, worth it to me for sure. And what's surprising to me is this palette actually is only $16. The pan sizes are kind of small, so that makes sense. I mean, I think it's a lot of value for $16, and I love the colors, and yeah, so I don't know, I'm happy with it. And then this guy retails for $30. Yeah, I can see that. I mean, it's a lot of product. I've been using that little tube since Christmas, and it's April now, so, and I'm still not even close to being done with it. This will probably last me like a few years if I'm being totally honest, even though this says you're supposed to use it in 6 months. Who uses this much highlighter in 6 months? I don't know, probably a lot of people, honestly. I'm good with this. I'm good with all of this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. There's more where this came from, so if you want to join the family, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. If I could learn to speak English, that'd be great. Okay, I'll see you next month with another boxy charm. Okay, goodbye.